What's up, gems? Don't mind my hair, y'all, because this shit is raggedy. But anyways, what's up, gems? It's your girl Jamika, a gem under construction, and today we're gonna do like a little day in the life. I did not know it looked weird like this, but in the house it didn't look this weird. Oh, whatever. We're gonna do a little day in the life of I can't think. Oh, we're gonna do a little day in the life of being a hair braider, a little bit, part-time hair braider. So also today we're going to be reviewing Koia. It is a plant-powered nutrition drink, and it's a protein drink, and I got flavored cold brew coffee. So I'm gonna be trying this a little later, but let's go and get some gas. And then my face so dry, my daughter must have scratched me right there. Okay, so we're gonna go and get the client and some gas, and then I'll see you guys at my cousin's house.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So we made it to my cousin's house, and so I'm gonna go ahead and try this drink. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Whoops. I want to try this drink before I get started because I'm hungry. And so, like I said, it's Koia cold brew coffee flavor plant powered protein drink. So let's see if I like it. If I like it, I'm going to get some more. It's pretty good, y'all. It's really not bad. They like, oh hell no. Gotta shake it up some more. But this might be my go-to for certain things. They saying no to the healthiness, but yeah. But I'm gonna try to see if my cousin can help me set up my phone, and then we're gonna get started with braiding her hair. Go. And then back to the front. Okay, y'all. So, y'all, I know I didn't really finish recording, but y'all saw the picture of her hair. But I come home and my baby says she missed me, and thank you. She's helping me put up some groceries. Look at my baby. You put it in there?
Yeah.
It don't go in there though. That don't go in there either. Give it to me. Give it back. You helping me put up groceries?
Yeah.
Okay, give me something else.
Apple.
That's no apple. Say tomato.
Tomato.
Yes. No. Oh yeah. Get this. Oh,
Sorry.
you okay? Give me that drink.
Yeah.
You see the drink?
Heavy.
It's not heavy. Thank you. All right, that's enough. Mommy got the other one. Don't touch that. Mommy got that. Okay, but put this one in the refrigerator. You can't touch that. That's me. No.
It's on now.
Put it right there beside the other drink.
Yeah.
Big girl.
Oh.
Try it again.
Oh.
You got it. Put it this way. Put it up there with the other drink.
Oh no.
Both of them go up there, girl. All right, let it go. And put the other one right here. There you go. Big girl. Thank you.
Yeah.
High five. Thank you. So, y'all, that was... I told you don't touch that. Yeah, it was heavy. I told her don't touch the meat. She did it anyway, so I'm gonna wash her hands. You did it, baby. You helped mommy put up all the groceries. High five. All right, y'all. So now hubby is about to make some dinner, and I went to get my pills and everything. So that was a little day in the life. Okay, you put it in there, Dan. Put it right here. Right there. Thank you. High five. Okay. So that was a little day in the life of what I normally do when I go braid hair. Now I'm home and I'm about to KO. Okay. Oh, Kurt. And I hope you guys really loved her style. I know I did, and I know my client did. Thank you very much for watching. And again, it's your girl Jamika, aka A Gym Under Construction. And I'll see you with another video soon.